Let's be honest, golf is expensive, or at least that's what everyone tells you. But in 2026, the gap between affordable and professional has never been smaller. If you're looking to start your journey without draining your savings, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget golf sets for beginners in 2026. Stick around for number 1. It's a set that actually outperforms gear twice its price. Number 5. Top Flite 2026 XL Complete Set. Coming in at number 5 is the Top Flite 2026 XL Complete Set. This is the quintessential entry point for anyone curious about the sport. Performance? The XL series has always been about distance, and the 2026 version is no different. The oversized driver provides a massive sweet spot, helping beginners get the ball airborne even on off-center hits. It features a 460cc Ti composite driver and easy-to-hit hybrids that replace the difficult long irons. The irons utilize a deep undercut cavity, which moves the center of gravity lower and further back. Design and build? The aesthetics are clean and utilitarian. While it doesn't have the premium flash of a $2,000 set, the matte finish on the woods looks modern and resists glare well. This set comes with a lightweight stand bag featuring plenty of pockets. It's incredibly easy to carry for 18 holes if you prefer walking the course. The absolute beginner or the casual golfer who only plays a few times a year. At approximately $399, it's one of the most affordable golf sets for beginners 2026. You won't find a more complete package for less. The perfect no-risk investment to see if you actually like the game of golf. Pros? Extremely affordable for a full 13-piece set. Highly forgiving driver for high handicappers. Includes a reliable, easy-to-align mallet putter. Cons? The bag stands can be a bit flimsy over time. Shafts may feel too whippy for faster swing speeds. Number 4. Wilson Profile SGI Complete Set. At number 4, we have the Wilson Profile SGI. Wilson is a heritage brand that dominates the value-to-performance category. Performance. The SGI stands for Super Game Improvement, and it lives up to the name. The irons are specifically engineered to help beginners stop slicing and start hitting straighter shots. Wilson uses custom fit-in-a-box technology, offering various lengths based on your height. The set includes a high-lofted driver and a very versatile sand wedge for bunker play. Design and build. The build quality is surprisingly rugged. The stainless steel irons feel substantial and produce a satisfying thwack on impact rather than a cheap click. The included carry bag has airflow shoulder straps, making it one of the most comfortable budget bags to wear. Beginners who are taller or shorter than average and need a fitted feel without the fitting price. Priced around $450 to $500, this is a top-rated budget golf set because of the custom length options that others just don't offer. A reliable, well-engineered set from a brand that knows exactly what beginners need. Pros. Best-in-class sizing options: standard, tall, short. High-quality wedges that provide great spin control. Durable construction that lasts multiple seasons. Cons. The driver's sound is a bit loud or hollow. Only comes with one hybrid. Number 3. Stix Golf Perform Series. Taking the number 3 spot is the Stix Golf Perform Series. If you want a set that looks like it costs $3,000 but costs a fraction of that, this is it. Performance. Stix focused on a less is more approach. The clubs feel incredibly balanced, and the graphite shafts are surprisingly stable, offering a more premium, stiff feel than other budget kits. The Perform series uses a modern PVD finish for durability and sleekness. The irons have a thinner top line, making them look like pro clubs while maintaining beginner forgiveness. Design and build. Winning design awards for a reason. The all-black aesthetic is stunning. The minimalist branding is a breath of fresh air in a market full of neon colors. These are mid-weight clubs. The set is streamlined, usually 9 or 12 clubs, making the bag lighter and more manageable. The style-conscious beginner or the younger player who wants a cool-looking set. A full set is around $999, which is higher than some, but the high-performance golf sets 2026 metrics here are off the charts. The bridge between beginner kits and serious equipment, you won't outgrow these for years. Pros: best-in-class sizing options, standard, tall, short. High-quality wedges that provide great spin control. Durable construction that lasts multiple seasons. Cons: the driver's sound is a bit loud or hollow. Only comes with one hybrid. Number 2. Callaway Strata Ultimate. Our runner-up is the legendary Callaway Strata Ultimate. This has been the gold standard for years, and the 2026 refresh keeps it at the top. Performance: this 16-piece set is designed for maximum distance. The 460cc titanium driver has a massive sweet spot, and the set includes 2 hybrids, which makes the long game much easier for new players. It uses Callaway's proprietary Flite technology to help get the ball in the air faster. The set gapping is perfect. You'll never find yourself without the right club for the distance. Design and build. The red and black accents look sharp and professional. The materials are a step up from the top Flite, with better finished grips and more stable shafts. The bag is a premium cart bag or stand bag option, with a cooler pocket and rain hood included. Anyone who wants a one-and-done purchase and doesn't want to buy another club for 5 years. At roughly $600, it's the best beginner golf set 2026 for those who want the most clubs for their money. The safest bet in golf. You can't go wrong with a Strata set. Pros: most complete set, 16 pieces including head covers. Backed by Callaway's world-class customer service. Includes both a 4 and 5 hybrid for maximum versatility. Cons: the putter is a bit basic compared to the rest of the set. The bag is slightly heavier than the Wilson or Top Flite. Number 1. Cobra Fly XL Speed Set. And finally, the number 1 spot for the best budget golf set for beginners 2026 goes to the Cobra Fly XL Speed. Performance: this set is essentially a premium set disguised as a budget package. The speed technology in the driver and woods helps players with slower swings generate massive ball speed. It's incredibly easy to hit. It features Cobra's legendary baffler rail technology on the hybrids, which helps the club glide through the grass. The irons are perimeter weighted to the extreme, making straight the default setting for your shots. Design and build. This looks and feels like the clubs used on the PGA Tour. The premium finishes and the high-quality Cobra grips make this feel like a $1,500 investment. Available in both a lightweight stand bag and a premium cart bag. The clubs themselves use ultra-lightweight graphite shafts to increase swing speed. The beginner who is serious about improving and wants the absolute best technology available without hitting the $2,000 mark. Usually found around $800 to $900. While it's the highest on our list, the value is unbeatable because you are getting pro-level engineering. The ultimate starter kit. It's the only set on this list that you could realistically keep all the way until you're a mid-handicapper. Pros: genuine premium technology at a mid-range price. Best driver in the complete set category. High-quality mallet putter with great alignment lines. Cons: slightly more expensive than true budget sets. High demand often means it's out of stock. Conclusion: that wraps up our look at the best budget golf sets for beginners 2026. I've put links to all these sets in the description below so you can check the latest prices. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and golf tips. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these sets are you leaning toward? Or did I miss your favorite budget pick? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the first tee.